What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this tar crack filler for your driveways. This is made by Latexite. It's ply sticks, and basically it's just a tar strip that you wedge into either asphalt, concrete, or between asphalt and concrete. Alright, now let's get to it. I'll show you guys how to use it. So basically we're just going to cut to length this stuff, and then we're going to lay it in the crack we want it. And we're going to heat it up with a torch. You can either get one of these propane torches for, you know, regular propane tank, or you could use the small little ones, but it'll take a lot longer. Now just heat it up. Look at how fast. So here's how it looks after I melted it one layer. It looks like, I think you can get it a little bigger size than this. Probably would have been good for good sized cracks like this. But it melts down. I'll probably do another layer on this. So you just cut it to length, wedge it in there, and we just melt it down. Just melts right down into the cracks. Yeah, like this. Alright, here's the second layer on that spot I showed you guys. So you just kind of heat it up first, I've learned, just to get it to stick in the area. Heating it up slowly is better with this big torch. And you give it some gas. Good to go over this stuff slow. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out my other videos and consider subscribing. I've also got a Patreon page. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Take care.